Hello guys! Alright, so today's video I'm actually quite excited for because I like doing this and I feel like I don't do it often enough, but I'm basically going to be recreating Sophia Richie's wedding makeup, which was so nice and it just looked very minimal, very nice and glowy, my kind of vibe. And I know there's already been like a video of her actual makeup artist who did her wedding makeup. She's already kind of done like I think it was on a TikTok, just like showed the products that she used on Sophia on her wedding day. And I don't have any of the products, just gonna tell you that now, but I thought it would be maybe a bit more beneficial if you're someone that wanted to recreate it with alternative products, things that I feel like you can still get the same look with, and most of them are, all of them are probably more affordable anyway. They do use a lot of like luxury brands, and if you're new to my channel, I am fully cruelty free with my makeup, so a lot of the luxury brands do test animals, so I can't actually use them. So yeah, I'm just gonna recreate the makeup look with you guys with alternative products that I found, and basically just try and get the same look. Relax as always and enjoy the video. I am boiling, like it's so warm, I'm literally sweating. It's so hot. I can't open my window though because there's football right outside my house, basically. I'm gonna start, I'm gonna do my brows. She looks like she has just pretty natural brows, similar to mine, like not similar to mine, as in like just we both have brow hairs, you know? She doesn't need to fully draw them on or anything like that. So I'm just gonna use my Anastasia brow freeze as I usually do. So yeah, I was a bit limited as well, like even like trying to look for like the base routine. For some reason in the video that the makeup artist did, she just started with like the bronzer and the blush. She didn't actually say what foundation, concealer, powder that she used on Sophia, which looking at the pictures, she's like, it's clear. I mean, we don't know for certain because no, I don't think anyone said it because we haven't had confirmation, but it's quite obvious that she does have some sort of base on, like she's got a foundation or even a skin tint or concealer. It looks like she has got something because if you look quite closely you can see like the makeup slightly creased a little bit under her eyes and stuff, which is natural of course, but so that's how you can kind of tell that she does have some sort of makeup on in the photos. So yeah, we have no details yet, I don't think, of what she was wearing, but yeah, the whole point of this video was just to like recreate it and just do something similar. Of course, I'm trying to multitask and film this for a reel as well. Also, this is as bridal as I can be. This is like the only white thing I have is just white t-shirts or a tank top, but I feel like I shouldn't have done a tank top for this video. Moving on to the skin, I've just done my normal skincare as I usually do. I'm gonna do pretty much most of the face, to be honest. I think I'm just gonna do the face first just because the eyes are so minimal. So for primer, I'm just gonna use the Refy Glow and Sculpt face primer. I wanted to use this because it's got a roller on. You're a bit puffy, maybe your skin is a bit puffy, it needs a bit of depuffing in the morning when it's your wedding day. I feel like this is just a good primer for that because it's got the roller here, so it squeezes out the product. And let me just show you instead of like literally, that was a nice sound and it looks questionable as well. Yum, nice and milky. Yeah, literally just, that was a lot. Literally just roller it on everywhere. And this is a nice hydrating primer as well. So I don't know her skin type, I don't know anything. Of course, you want your makeup to last, and I really like this primer. It's nice and hydrating, as you can see, gives a nice healthy glow. There is literally someone sat on the balcony. Literally face, why has she literally got her chair facing me? Oh, I'm gonna cry, honestly. Foundation, or for like a base actually, before we do that, I got this product recently and I'm literally obsessed with it. I use it as a foundation, but I am going to put a little bit of foundation on top of this anyway, just because, you know, you want a bit more coverage, you know, you're having pictures taken and stuff. But I really like this so far. So it's the Iconic London Radiance Booster, and I got the shade Sand Glow in this. It's so nice. It literally just gives you, like, I've been using this as foundation, like I said, so it's got a bit of a tint to it. There's a bunch of different shades, but yeah, it's just a nice glowy base. Lovely hormonal breakouts kind of on my chin. You can still see obviously your skin through. That's why I'm going to actually put a light layer of foundation over. But literally just look at that glow that it gives. Like, this has literally just been my foundation. And she has beautiful skin. Absolutely beautiful skin. Foundation, again, we don't know what she was using. I'm gonna go in with my Beautiful Skin foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. It probably is my favorite foundation, I can't lie. It's just, she's just it for me. Actually, like looking at the photos like of like Sophia Richie's like wedding makeup, I feel like I would probably have something similar. Like I would go for very, very light makeup. I do not want a full face of makeup on. It's just, that's not comfortable for me and I don't want that. I just want medium coverage. Hopefully I wouldn't be on my period. We can see how nice and glowy we are. Alright, for concealer, I'm going to go in with my current favourite. I am genuinely obsessed with this concealer. I'm obsessed with this brand right now. This is the Vieve Modern Radiance Concealer. This is medium 4. So I'm just going to use a tiny, tiny bit because she really doesn't seem to have a lot on and this concealer is full coverage. I'm going to use it slightly just where I've got a bit of redness and blemishes. Oh, she's gone, thank God. I can relax. Balcony Lady has gone as an update. Honestly, my level of obsession with this concealer, like I haven't been this excited about a concealer since like my Jouer one. I am obsessed. But yeah, this is coming up there. It's definitely one of my favorite concealers. I haven't decided yet if it's replaced Jouer, just because the coverage that gives is honestly just unbeatable. But this is also, it's challenging it. It's challenging it. It really is. Also, by the way, I feel like my videos might be slightly all over the place. I've got videos that I've like filmed like a while ago, maybe like a week ago or a week or two ago. I'm literally filming this on Sunday and I'm gonna get this video up for Tuesday. So I think Friday's video is gonna be like one that I filmed before this one, but obviously this is more current, so I wanted to get this one up quicker. The videos might seem a little bit all over the place at the moment, but I feel like I've got a lot of, like I've got a random rush of like content ideas, which is good. That's what I want, because I don't like getting stuck in a funk. Luckily, I am actually going out today. I'm going to the cinema. I'm going to be sat in darkness, but you know, still going out, so my makeup can be slightly appreciated. For the cheek products, she did have nude sticks for the bronzer and I think they used 2 blushes on her. I'm pretty sure she's like a creative director or something. She's like linked to nude sticks in some way. So bronzer was a cream bronzer stick from Nude Sticks. I'm going to use the Milk Makeup bronzer in Baked because this seemed like the most similar tone to the one that her makeup artist used on her. And she had a very, very light bronze. No harsh contour, no nothing. I feel like I'd be the same if I'm still kind of in this vibe of, you know, like natural makeup. I can't see me going the opposite route, to be honest, like as I get older, but I feel like I would literally just do creams and then maybe a powder blush, but I'm not sure if I'd use powder bronzer. Maybe just lightly to set, but yeah, similar vibes that I feel like I would want if I was getting married. Because I feel like I just need my makeup to make me look good, because I am not a photogenic person. You know, you get all these beautiful like kind of like candid photos of people like getting their makeup done or just like the hair getting done, you know, like while they're getting ready, like the photos that people just take. Bitch, I don't look that good. I don't look good in these candid photos. Like I'm not a photogenic, even when I try, I'm not a photogenic person. Like even as a kid, like I literally hated, I would genuinely throw tantrums. I remember this whenever it'd be like Eid or something and my parents would be like, right, let's get some photos. Nah, not for me. I've never tried that Iconic London, that, what is this? I don't know what it even is. The Radiance Booster, sorry. I haven't used it with a foundation, to be fair, so I'm like shocked. Okay, so for blush, like I said, it's Nude Sticks that was used on Sophia, and there was like a pinky one, I can't remember the name, sorry, that was used, and then the makeup artist mixed it with Picante. I love that blush. I have wanted to get it, but I don't think you can get it in the UK because I know it was like a collab with someone. But the closest thing I found is this Rare Beauty blush, which is in the shade Joy. This, literally, as soon as I saw that shade, I knew it was that Nude Sticks blush. I was like, this is the one, because it's like a red but it's got the orangey like peachy undertone to it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That's it, as we know. Even still, Christ. I think that is a very, very good match. I know the UK influencer Soph, she did like a dupes, I think it was a TikTok or something I saw her do. It was like a dupes video for the blush, because that was sold out. Obviously the Nude Sticks blush has been sold out, so she couldn't get it either. There's a Pixie blush that is also apparently very similar to this as well. That's also apparently a dupe, so. I don't use this colour enough. I think when I go to like my ready blushes, I always go for Love over Joy in these. I wasn't just talking about life in general. I meant like in the names of these blushes. Yeah, I always pick Love because it's that deeper red that I like, but this is perfect for like summer. Okay, right, I'm gonna set my under eyes because they are starting to crease and I really need to, and then we can move on to the eyes. Apply loose powder first, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of pressed powder, just because I feel like that is what I would, that's what I would do, I think. Because I always sweat here for some reason, I don't know why. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder in medium. For anyone that would care about this next sentence that I'm gonna say, thank you, I love you for listening to this, but I'm so excited. Like where I film, I can see the car park where everyone would drive in. I'm literally sat here waiting for my boyfriend to get back because he's gone to get me a Nintendo Switch, which I've wanted for years. I've wanted a Nintendo Switch since they came out. I'm into my games. Well, I'm not big on games, to be honest. Like, it's mainly Pokemon. I love Pokemon and Animal Crossing. Animal Crossing is what I've got right now that he's picking up with the console. I've wanted it since it came out, but apparently I've been looking at the wrong one. I was looking at the actual TV one and not the little one, which is what I actually want. I was like, right, I just want to buy it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get it. I wanted it for this long. It's been a few years now since it's been out, I'm pretty sure. Like, I just want it. And he was like, no, don't get it. And I was like, why? Like, let me live. Let me get it. And turns out he was gonna get it me for my birthday. But that's in July. So he was like, do you want it now? And I said yes. So he's going to get it. And I'm very excited. So anyway, that was that slight segue from makeup. I don't know if they use an eye primer on Sophia, but my eyelids, as you can see, are just so dark. I need a base of some sort, so I've just used my Beauty Bay eye primer. People that like know me always seem to ask that, because obviously I do makeup, they've asked me like if I would do my own makeup and if I was getting married. 100%. Like, for me, I get why people do it. One, maybe you're not into makeup, you don't know what you're doing, or you just want it, you want that luxury. It's your wedding day, you want someone to do your makeup for you. For me, I got trust issues. I got trust issues with everyone. No one is doing makeup on my face. Unless it was like makeup by Mario. Or someone someone that I would actually trust to do my makeup, but like, just finding a random makeup artist. No thank you, I'll do my own makeup. I know what I like, I know how I like it. And for me, makeup is like it's my relaxation, so I won't get stressed doing it. I get that that's another reason why people get it done, but no, not for me. It's my relaxation, so I'd be chilling while I'd be getting ready. Anyway, I'm so hot, guys. Good job I powdered here because I'm starting to sweat. So moving on to these very simple eyes that we're gonna do for the makeup look. Very, very simple. I'm just gonna take a bit of the cream bronzer because that's what I'm pretty sure she used. Or it was like a cream eyeshadow stick or something. So I've never actually done this before. I've never used a cream bronzer. Like I use powder bronzers, like transition colors, like all the time. But a cream? I don't know. But yeah, she just used this very small amount. Let's do it anyway. a little bit on the lower lash line. It looks nice. It does look nice. I mean, I don't know why I'm questioning it. Like, she's a makeup artist. She knows what she's doing. So for the lid, this is where it's gonna get a little bit DIY over here, because she uses a cream eyeshadow. No, she uses like a gold eyeshadow, but she mixes it with a cream or like a liquid of some sort. I can't really remember. What I'm gonna do is, I've got kind of a similar gold. It's like a yellow gold she seemed to use. So from, I've got hair on my face, I can feel it but I can't see it. From the Kash Beauty Secret Treasure palette, I'm going to use the shade Treasure, which is this one right in the middle. It's that perfect like yellowy light gold. That's what she seemed to use on Sophia. So I'm going to use a bit of that, but then I'm going to mix it, or maybe just tap it on top of this, which is the e.l.f. No Budge eyeshadow stick in Champagne Crystal. Yeah, I don't know. I might do the cream. I'll do the cream first and then maybe tap that on top. Nope. I'm just gonna do a really little bit. Can you even see? Actually, this might be fine just on its own. Blend it. Then just go like this. So I've just kind of got a very, very light amount. So it's just kind of like the reflects from it. I was so scared that this wasn't gonna look right, but I'm proud of it. It looks the same. It looks very similar to what she had done. So that's literally it for the eyes. It doesn't even look like she's wearing eyeliner or anything, but I am just gonna do tight line. You already know what it is. LA girl she's still going. She's still going. The most viral thing that's been going around is like the mascara that was used, which was a Maybelline mascara, which I don't get why people are so like surprised by it. Like, if it's a good mascara, it's a good mascara. And when I used to use Maybelline before I went cruelty free, like they do make good mascaras. Like, I agree, they are good mascaras. Still wishing, still praying, still manifesting for them to be cruelty free this year, I'm hoping, at least, you know, finally. Because I did really like their mascaras. So it was like the pink tube, I think is it the lash sensation or something like that. I'm gonna go in with one that I think just goes with the eyes perfectly, which is the Sweed, I think it's called the Cloud Mascara. My sticker came off. So I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, of course. Okay. I'm gonna set the face. I'm gonna go in with an affordable one. This is the e.l.f. Microfine Setting Mist. It's the Stay All Night Mist. So it is microfine, I'll give them that. Lovely. Okay, for the lip, I was so happy when I found this because I was panicking to find a lip option. So, lip liner, they used a lip liner that I don't think we can get here in the UK. So they've basically just said that they've used a lip liner to contour the lip, so not fill it in or anything. So it doesn't really match the lip product in my opinion. So I'm taking Kash Beauty True Nude Lip Liner. So I think the whole point is to use something a little bit darker. This is the perfect alternative I found. So her makeup artist used I think it's a Dior. It was some luxury brand and it was like a glowy lip balm or like a tinted lip balm kind of thing. So I've got the Rare Beauty tinted lip balm, dewy lip balm, sorry, and this one's in the shade Praise. It is the perfect, it literally looks the same. It's like in similar packaging as well. And it's just that perfect like peachy undertone. Perfect, and I feel like it goes with the blush really well. It's very similar to this. Like, I'll insert the photo again so you can see. Anyway guys, that is it. This is the finished look. I'm quite proud of that lip, not gonna lie. But I really like this makeup look. She looked beautiful, of course. And yeah, let me know if you like this makeup look. What kind of wedding makeup would you go for? Let me know. And yeah, thank you for joining me as always. I hope you're all doing good. Let me know any other videos you want me to do as always. And I'll see you in my next video.